I'm still getting used to having a cat. So if you hear the scratches, that's 7. That's my cat's name, in case any of you guys missed the video, the Get Ready With Me that I filmed to update you on my life. Hello, watch it, duh. Now, I'm here with another wig tutorial, install, review, whatever you want to call it, whatever the girlies call it, I'm here. I'm back with another one. I had to have this wig because it was so pretty and it was actually really unique. I've never seen any synthetic wig like it. And this is a box that she comes in. So cute and so small. I'm loving the boxes. So this is Bobbi Boss's Glueless Lace Wig. It says crystal clear HD lace wig, glueless wear, free parting, 13x7 hand tie full lace, scalp blending full lace. So let's go ahead and, oh, and the style is an MLF609 ELINA, and the color is a TQB. Yeah, I really wonder how they come up with these colors and names and, you know, oh my goodness. Oh, just look at the ends. You know I live for bumped ends. That's what I was trying to achieve in the latest video that I posted. But I live for a bumped end, honey, and this is bumped. This wig has 2 clips, but they're far in the back. Like, they're right here. Like, you can see all the laces right here, but like the clips are like far in the back. It has a clip in the back also, and it has an adjustable strap in the middle, which I am so happy because you guys know when it has an adjustable strap, you do not need to wear no glue, honey. You do not. I'm probably going to be using my ESHA Melt Slay Lace Spray. I probably ain't going to use no glue because who want to put glue and take it off and all that extra stuff? Anyway, I got time for that yet. So, and they have the regular wig clips that it comes with in the back. You guys know all the wig clips that come. If you don't, I will show you right now. Give me a minute. Let me just unclip it. Okay. So it has these clips, and I'm going to just clip it together. Now we're going to go ahead and try on this wig. My hair is braided, but it's very messy because I have to get it done. Just letting you guys know, we've all had bad hair braided days, so don't be shocked when you see it. And you know me, I just wanted to warn you. See how it looks? Ow, ow. What the fuck? Ow, hold on. Okay, hold on. There's a lot going on right now. I never could put on wigs correctly. Like I don't know. Ow, 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 ow. Okay. Hello. Okay. I remember I seen a comment on my channel. Somebody was like, I hate the way you put on wigs. I was like, well, wait, 1, hate is a strong word. And 2, well, damn. This wig is really, it's absolutely gorgeous. Like, it feels like human hair. Like, the texture is like, it's nice and thick. And I love, look at this. The bob is bobbing. The bob is bobbing, y'all. Look at that. The bob is bobbing. Oh gosh, I live for about, anybody that knows me, y'all know me already. Yeah, we've been together for years now. We've been together for like 8 years, 9 years together. So you know me. I love bobs, and I love bobs with a bump. It just fits my face. I just love it. It's just so like, it's just so cute. And this is definitely gonna be my summer wig, like for sure. Like, yes, like it's lightweight. It doesn't feel heavy. The cut is nice. Like I can see myself like throwing this on and wearing it in the summertime. Like for real. Yeah, I'm gonna style it. I'm gonna install it. It's already literally installed. Just gonna cut the lace. I'm gonna add some spray because I want it to be a little bit firm on my head. So I'm gonna add some Glueless spray. And I might add some edge, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, let's just get right into installing this lace. And I'm just going to pin this up so that we can cut the lace. This hair is so pretty. Like, I just love flipping it up with the middle. And I cut, and I cut, and I cut. So I leave about like 1 inch of lace on it. I'll cut a little more. start cutting. And I'm not really cutting, I'm like gliding the scissors on the lace so it's not choppy. So I'm like doing like that. I'm not like, okay, I got all that lace off. All right, we're here. Hold on. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a little bit of ESHA's Melt and Slay Glueless spray to the sides. I don't really need to add it up here because it's pretty snug, but to the side so it's not flipping up like this because it doesn't have clips right here to kind of hold it down. So I'm gonna do that right now. I'm gonna use a blow dryer and hopefully it stays, and then I'm gonna tie it with my Kendra's Boutique, which I've been using for years, headband to keep it steady.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes. Baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me.
So it's been well over probably 30 minutes since I tied this on my head. So I'm going to untie and let's see how the sides look. Look at that. Okay, let me comb it down. I really don't think I want to add any edges because it looks so perfect. Like, it looks so good like this. I just feel like the edge would just ruin it. I like it like this. I don't always like to have like little baby hairs and stuff like that. For me personally, some people love it all the time. I don't really care for it too much all the time. But this is the hair. I'm going to show you guys how it looks from the back. Hopefully it looks okay. Hopefully it's nothing showing. But this hair is so lightweight and so like, this is my summer wig. This is my summer wig. Like, it's so lightweight. It's so pretty. It's so cute. Let me show you guys how it looks from the back. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys at my next video, of course. Let me know what you guys think below. Give this video a thumbs up. I love you so much, as always, for watching and being subscribed and just continuing to come and show me love. I love you guys. I appreciate it. I hope you have a fabulous day today. And I hope you're having a fabulous year so far. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. But until then, keep slaying.
On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all love. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good, know it's all love, know it's all love. I've been feeling like the motherfucking man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fan up, fan. I made it where I'm at on my own.